got to admire the dedication. Sally Hurst, BBC Look North, in Marsk.
Well done, Sally, but she calls those wintry conditions.
Does she?
That's what? She doesn't know the half of it, does she?
No!
What's
Wait till she gets a wintry blast.
It's
going to get a little bit colder. Hello there, good evening. Before we talk about that, let's talk about the thing that everyone has messaged me about today, and that is the sunshine. A couple of pictures to show you. We'd love to see those from you. So then, how's it looking for the weekend? Well, still unsettled, I'm afraid. We are still going to see, thankfully, some spells of sunshine as we head through tomorrow, but equally scattered showers, and some of these look to be quite heavy. So, what's the bigger picture? Well, it's low pressure that's given us a bit of a headache. It's firmly in charge of our weather, and it's throwing bands of showers right across us as we head through tomorrow. Some of these are going to be heavy and wintry, and again for North Yorkshire, we do have a warning, and I'll tell you a bit more about that in a minute. It's valid from 5 o'clock tomorrow. Back to the here and now. If you're heading out, many of us dry, actually, although over the hills, a couple of showers, and then overnight tonight, a band of showers starts to push in. It does look to clear quite quickly, but because of those showers, you're going to have to bear in mind the risk of ice if you are heading out first thing tomorrow morning. And there will be a patchy frost as well. Temperatures down to about 2 to 4 degrees, although it will be colder in more rural spots. So wrap up if you're heading out first thing in the morning. And if you are, the sun will rise tomorrow morning at 21 minutes past 8, setting again just after 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Those there are your high water tides. So it's going to be a chilly start to your day tomorrow. Now, bear in mind that risk of ice first thing tomorrow. Plenty of us will be dry and bright. However, it won't be long until we start to get showers firing in from the southwest, and some of these will be heavy, merging into longer spells of rain. They'll clear through, and then some bright skies once again. Good spells of sunshine, especially further towards the coast, ahead of another band of rain. These look like they are going to be quite heavy, and from 5 o'clock tomorrow for North Yorkshire, we do have a warning in force. That's going to get quite heavy. It'll be wintry over the hills, and it will continue to track northwards as we head overnight into Sunday. Temperature-wise tomorrow, well, very similar to today. We did get 8 degrees through the Vale of York, and once again we'll get that tomorrow. 8 is 46 in Fahrenheit, but it will be quite a blustery wind, so it's going to feel quite chilly if you are heading out and about. So if you're going out tomorrow evening, take a brolly. That rain will get quite heavy, particularly across more northern parts. It clears overnight into Sunday, but we do have the warning valid until midnight on Sunday, because behind that we are looking at showers, and some of these are going to be really quite heavy, particularly for north and western parts, and wintry for the hills as well. You can see temperatures start to drop off a little bit as we head through the week. It's going to get colder. We have the risk of overnight frosts and showers wintry over the hills, my friends.
In just over a week's time, a band of crazy folk do a half marathon in York.
Yes.
There's a reason they call it the Brass Monkey, isn't there?
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, it's going to be a cold Brass Monkeys, literally.
That's as far as we go. Good luck to all our FA Cup teams in action tomorrow, and we'll see you on Monday.
Good night.